Welcome back to Tech Goods, your trusted source for in-depth reviews on everything that enhances your home, your lifestyle, and your comfort. Today, we are taking a detailed look at a product designed to transform your backyard into a stylish and functional outdoor living space, the YITAHOME Outdoor Metal Hardtop Patio Gazebo. Whether you are planning outdoor dinners, looking for a relaxing shaded area, or want to entertain guests in your garden without battling insects or rain, this product promises to deliver it all. Stay tuned as we unpack every feature, examine the setup experience, and share real user feedback. Let's begin. The YITAHOME Outdoor Metal Hardtop Patio Gazebo is more than just an outdoor shelter. It is a well-constructed and beautifully designed solution to maximize your outdoor enjoyment. Featuring a robust metal structure with privacy curtains and mosquito netting, this gazebo caters to homeowners looking for both function and aesthetic. It is designed for backyards, patios, lawns, courtyards, and any outdoor spot where shade, comfort, and privacy are desired. From its vented double roof design to its double-layered sidewalls, this gazebo is engineered for performance as much as for visual appeal. One of the standout features of the YITAHOME gazebo is the double galvanized iron sheet roof. It is designed with large vertical ridges that not only contribute to its sleek modern appearance, but also improve structural integrity. The dual roof venting ensures that air circulates freely, helping to keep the covered area cool even during hotter months. This airflow also boosts the gazebo's resistance against wind, reducing uplift pressure and allowing better temperature regulation. At the center of the ceiling are two built-in hooks where you can hang lighting or even fans, making it easy to personalize the space and extend its functionality into the evening hours. The double-layered sidewall system combines form and function. The YITAHOME gazebo comes with both polyester privacy curtains and fine mesh mosquito netting. The mesh allows breezes to pass through while keeping out bugs, which is ideal for late summer evenings or early mornings when insects are most active. Meanwhile, the opaque curtains can be closed for full privacy or shade. The dual-track zipper system makes it simple to draw one layer or both, depending on your needs. Whether you are enjoying a family meal, reading a book, or taking an outdoor nap, this design ensures comfort and seclusion. Durability is a critical consideration when investing in an outdoor structure. YITAHOME addresses this with a sturdy, powder-coated aluminum frame that is rust-resistant, fade-proof, and built to last through many seasons. The reinforced corners and beam structure give it remarkable stability. The feet are designed with holes and come with mounting stakes, making it easy to secure the gazebo to a variety of foundations. While the foundation materials are not included, anchoring the gazebo properly is essential for long-term use and safety, especially in areas prone to wind. Now, let's talk about assembly. This is often the most challenging part of purchasing a product like this. According to YITAHOME, the gazebo comes with detailed instruction manuals and access to tutorial videos, which help streamline the process. The assembly requires an estimated 6 to 8 hours, and it is recommended to have at least 2 to 3 people involved. The product arrives in 3 to 5 separate boxes depending on the selected size, and these boxes may arrive at different times. One thing to note: professional installation is suggested for those who want the gazebo set up quickly or without stress. Once assembled, the YITAHOME gazebo provides a generous amount of covered space. It is ideal for hosting dinners, birthday parties, outdoor workouts, or simply lounging with your loved ones. Whether you are setting up a seating area, outdoor dining table, or a daybed, there is ample room for a range of configurations. It blends well with all kinds of outdoor furniture and decor, making it a versatile piece for almost any exterior design. Let's now take a closer look at real-world experiences from people who have already purchased and used this gazebo. The first user noted that the instructions were easy to follow, though the installation of the small upper roof was time-consuming. It took 2 people several hours just to get that section assembled correctly, primarily due to the plastic spacers. However, once that portion was completed, the rest of the roof assembly progressed more smoothly with the help of a third person. The end result, according to this user, was worth the effort. Another reviewer praised the quality and aesthetics of the gazebo. They mentioned that they had the structure professionally installed and that the entire process took 2 installers only 2 hours. The user was especially impressed with how sturdy and well-made the final product was. At its price point, it provided excellent value and met all their expectations. Their family now enjoys more time outdoors thanks to the added comfort and privacy. Keeping your YITAHOME gazebo in great shape requires just a little regular maintenance. The metal roof should be inspected periodically for any accumulation of debris, and the powder-coated frame should be cleaned with a damp cloth to remove dust or grime. The curtains and mesh can be removed and washed gently as needed. Proper anchoring and covering during extreme weather will extend the life of the structure. Thanks to its rust-proof and fade-resistant materials, this gazebo is a long-term investment for your outdoor living space. So who is this gazebo really for? If you are someone who enjoys spending time outdoors, whether entertaining or relaxing, this product can significantly elevate your experience. It is especially ideal for homeowners with moderate to large backyard spaces. Families, couples, and even solo dwellers who enjoy open-air activities but want protection from insects, rain, or excess sun exposure will find it very valuable. It also works well for those looking to set up an outdoor workspace, yoga zone, or mini garden retreat. The YITAHOME Outdoor Metal Hardtop Patio Gazebo brings together functionality, durability, and aesthetic design in one package. It is built to handle various weather conditions while offering a stylish place to gather, relax, or celebrate. From the vented double roof to the privacy curtains and mesh netting, every feature is well thought out. The assembly may be time-consuming, but the results are well worth it. Just be sure to plan the installation carefully, perhaps hire professional help, and ensure it is securely anchored. Overall, it is a highly recommended addition to any backyard or outdoor space. Thank you for watching this detailed review on tech goods. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth reviews on tech, home, and lifestyle products. Let us know in the comments if you have questions about the YITAHOME Outdoor Gazebo, or share your own experiences if you already own one. As always, we appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay inspired and stay outdoors with the right gear. Until next time, this is Tech Goods signing off.